Good day everyone, my name is SANMUGAPRIYA THEYVENRAN. Now I am going to give a short briefing about this case study. So, network and data communication course focuses on implementing a wireless LAN using a wireless router. So, the main objective is to demonstrate the leadership, teamwork, and technical skills through hands-on practice in configuring basic network settings. Using packet tracer and audio-video recording tools, the team is tasked to connect devices to a wireless router, configure internet and wireless settings, and modify the network configuration. Through this exercise, students gain practical experience in applying sustainable practices to basic network setup. So I'll be explaining about the task one. Task one is connect to a wireless router. Step one is connect admin to WR. So connect the admin workstation to the WR wireless router using the proper cable through the Ethernet ports. So WR will act as a switch to the devices connected to the LAN and as a router to the internet. The second step is configure admin to DHCP. To use DHCP, so we have to access the admin workstation and configure it to obtain its IP address automatically. Admin should get DHCP address from WR. If not, we have to troubleshoot it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Kaylyn Kirthna. Now I'll be explaining two more steps under task 1, which is connecting to a wireless router. Step 3 is accessing the WR via web browser. First, you need to open a web browser on the admin workstation and then type 192.168.01 into the address bar and press enter. This IP address opens the router's web graphical user interface GUI. Use admin for both username and password to log in. And then step 4, which is configure the internet port of WR. Navigate to the internet setup section on the router's GUI. Change the IP address method from automatic DHCP to static IP and then input the static IP details. For internet IP address 209.165.200.225. For subnet mask 255.255.255.252. For default gateway 209.165.200.226. And lastly, for DNS server 209.165.201 and 1. After inputting the static IP details, you need to save the settings. To verify the internet connectivity, you need to open the web browser and access http another slash, which means two slashes, and then www.cisco.pka/. Then you'll get the results. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Harishini CUMARESVARAN and I will be explaining task 2, which is configure the wireless settings. So first and foremost, the first step is configure the WRSSID. So first we must change the current network name, which is SSID, to PBU student for only 2.4 gigahertz. After you change to that, you need to change the standard channel, which is 6 to 2.437 gigahertz. After you change to that, for this activity, disable the both 5 gigahertz frequencies. After you disable that, leave the rest of the settings unchanged. Lastly, scroll to the bottom of the window and click Save Settings. Okay, now I will be explaining step 2 for task 2. Step 2, configure wireless security settings. In this step, configure the wireless security settings using WPA2 security mode with encryption and passphrase. So first we're going to select WPA2 personal for the security mode. Then next, for the encryption file, keep the default AES settings. Then next, in the passphrase field, enter PBU at 123 exclamation all caps as the passphrase. Then you need to click Save Settings. Lastly, verify that the settings in the basic wireless settings and the wireless security pages are correct and saved. For step 3, connect the wireless clients. Open laptop 1, then we select desktop tab. After that, click PC wireless, add suitable wireless module if not available. Then next step is to select the connect tab, click refresh if it's necessary, then select the wireless network name, which is PBU student. Then you need to enter the passphrase configure in the previous step. Then lastly, open a web browser and verify that you can navigate to www.cisco.pka server.
Good morning to my lecturers and my friends. I'm JAYASEELAN. So I'm going to explain about task 3, which is change current configurations. So step 1 was to change the WR access password, which is on a laptop. We should navigate to WRGUI interface at 192.168.0.1, and next we should change the current router password to Cisco, which is in the step 1, in the task 1 we have changed it to admin. So in this place we should change it to Cisco. Next, we should scroll to the bottom of the windows and click Save Settings after we change the password to Cisco. After that, we should use the username admin and the new password Cisco when we propped into the login to the wireless router. After that, we should click continue, OK to continue. Then after we click OK to continue, we are going to move to the next step, which is step 2. Next, I will explain about step 2, which is we should change the DHCP addresses range in wireless. So first of all, in this step, we should change the internal network address from 192.168.0.0/24 to 1070.104 and 0/24. When the LAN network addresses changes, the IP addresses on the device in the LAN and WLAN must be renewed to receive new IP addresses before the leases is timed out. A. The current IP address assigned to router IP is 192.168.0.1 will be changed into 1070.104.1. So to verify that IP address, it will start with 0.100. And there are 50 available IP addresses in the DHCP pool. Then after that, we change the DHCP pool. We should scroll down to the window and click Save Settings. So this will be the way how we change our DHCP addresses range in wireless. Thank you.
In conclusion, this case study has successfully strengthened our understanding and skills in configuring a WLAN network using a wireless router. We have completed key tasks, including establishing wired and wireless connections, configuring DHCP and static IP settings, securing the wireless network with WPA2 encryption, and modifying router and network configurations. This activity has not only enhanced our technical proficiency but also developed essential leadership and collaboration skills necessary for real world network management. Overall, we as a group have fulfilled the objectives and completed the case study. Thank you.